front of me is AGM H6 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Start by opening an app called Files that's already on your device. Then click on those three lines at the top left corner and select Clean at the top. Finally, choose Clean under Junk Files and Clear in the pop-up. Don't worry, it won't delete any apps or photos from your device, only junk files you don't even see. So when I click, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!